Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Diva. In today's video, I'm going to explain you how to do half double crochet two together. To learn crochet, all you need are patience, attention to the details, and never give up attitude. So let's start learning this new stage. In this crochet tutorial, I have used DK or double knit yarn and 3.5mm hook. Dear friends, as you can see, I already have made a block or rectangle of half double crochet so that it would be easier for me to show you how to do this half double crochet two together or half double crochet decrease. In a nutshell, we are going to make two half double crochet stitches into one half double crochet stitches. Start by yarn over the hook. Then insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over the hook again and pull up a loop. As you can see, I have 3 loops in my hook. Next, I will insert my hook into the next stitch. So this is the second stitch. Then yarn over again and pull up another loop. Now as you can see, there's 4 loops in my hook. I will yarn over the hook again and I will pull through the first loop. This is the first loop. Pull this loop through all of these loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you have seen, I have pulled this loop through 4 loops. This is how we do half double crochet two together or half double crochet decrease. I'm going to show you again. Yarn over or wrap the yarn around your hook. So now you have 2 loops in your hook. Then insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over the hook again, pull up a loop. So now you have 3 loops in your hook. Next, your hook will go into the next stitch. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now, as you can see, you have 4 loops in your hook. Yarn over again and pull the first loop through the last 4 loops. So, as you can see, I have done the next half double crochet two together. I'm going to show you for the last time. It's a really easy stitch. So, yarn over the hook. Hook goes into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops in your hook. Hook goes into the second stitch, yarn over again and pull up another loop. So you have 4 loops in your hook. Now what you're going to do is yarn over and pull this loop through all of the loops you have in your hook. Ta-da! It's done. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Happy crocheting to everyone.